Question 6. The quadratic equation, where m and n are constants, has two real and equal roots. So if we have two real and equal roots, b square minus 4ac will equal to 0. Okay, then they ask us to express m in terms of n. Alright. Okay, so first let's copy down the equation. And then we expand and rearrange. So this will give us x squared minus 4x plus 2n minus m equals to 0. Okay, so from here we have x squared, x, and these are all constants. So our a will be 1, our b will be negative 4, and all this will be c. Because all this got no x. If it doesn't have x, it will be the constants lah, c. Okay, so then we put it into our b square minus 4ac. We get negative 4 square minus 4ac equal to 0. This will give us 16. Negative 4 times 2n is negative 8n. Negative 4 times m will be plus 4m. Then we have to express m in terms of n, right? So we must make m the subject. So for m we leave it here. The rest we bring it over. So negative 8n will become positive 8n. 16 will become negative. Therefore m is 8n minus 16 over 4. So this one we can simplify it. So 8 divided 4 will be 2. So you can say 2n. And 16 divided 4 will be negative 4. Therefore m is 2n minus 4. Done.